Here's the first question in this unit assessment. Draw an enlargement of the given shape. Here it is, using scale factor of 5/2. Now, 5/2 means that I take all the sides in the given shape, half them, and then times them by 5. So the first side is this one here, which is too long. So first I need to divide it by 2, and then times it by 5. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, times by 5 is 5. So the first length is 5 long. Now, make sure you are using a ruler when you're doing this. I can't use a ruler on my iPad, but make sure you're using a ruler in your assessment. The next side is this one down here, which is 4 long. So that's 4 divided by 2, remember half it and then times by 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2, times by 5 is 10. It's going to be 10 long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my length there. Then I'm going to go along. Well, that's 2 again. Well, so that's going to be 5 again. So that first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I would do all the straight sides in one go. So I'm not going to do the 2 diagonals. I'm going to do this one here, which is also 2. So that's going to be 2 divided by 2 times by 5. Well, that must be 5 as well. So coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these ones in here, well, the gap here is 2. So the gap in my other shape must be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 starts there. And this bit here is 2, so that must be 5 in my new shape, because 2 divided by 2 times by 5. Just down there. And now we just need to fill in the diagonals. So there's my first diagonal there, and the one below there. And there is my new shape.